Hi everyone, a quick update about feeding and the filtration system in the hive. We have been kind of feeding our mealworms quite a bit, probably a little more than recommended. For example, when we finish a pepper, we'll use the top middle part, the stem that you don't eat, and we'll put it in there, or we'll grind up some carrots in like a cheese grater or slice them up and put them in there. The carrots do well. They're pretty much gone in the morning. Banana peels also work as long as you take them out when you're done. But yeah, so we kind of left a few things. I think it was rinds from edamame and then a few pieces of pepper that just kind of didn't go away. And we didn't touch the hive for about a week. And we realized that it had just been making so much noise and the filtration system was constantly on. It maybe would occasionally turn off for 10 seconds and then would just go on again, and it was really annoying us because we couldn't even be in our living room because it was always on, and we thought something might be broken, and we contacted the Live-In Farms creators, and the first thing they said is, well, did you leave any food in there? And we had no idea this could cause such a serious problem that the filtration system would constantly be on. So we kind of had our doubts, but I cleaned out everything. I took out any bits of food that were there, and it immediately stopped. So that says a lot about how complicated this system is, that the gases created from just some rotting food would create enough for the sensors to pick up something wrong and to turn on the filtration system to clean out the air inside. So definitely, if you do feed your worms anything that's still alive, that's fresh and will rot, clean it out the next day, because anything that's edible they'll eat within a day, and clean it out right away. Make sure you brush off any of the mealworms. We actually found some other kinds of worms inside the pepper rind, so be careful about that as well. We live in Shanghai, and it's June, coming up on July now, so it's getting pretty hot, and that's another reason why you need to. We really need to be on it with cleaning. They're pupating faster, they're eating more, but also food rots a lot more quickly, and other insects like flies tend to come in really quickly. So if it's hotter in your climate, really you need to be on that. Another thing we're going to be doing very soon is we are moving from China to the USA in just over a month, and we're going to be moving the hive. So our future episodes are going to be about moving the hive, disassembling it, and packing it up. So if you have any plans to do that as well, or if you're concerned about the portability of the hive, then stay tuned, and we'll show you how to do that. Thanks for watching, and subscribe to the Travel Bug Bite for more Mealworm Mondays.